Hello students, in this video I am going to tell you about the human male reproductive system or reproductive organs. So you can see this is the front view and this is the side view, sectional view of male reproductive system. So in front view you can see that this is the ureter, this is urinary bladder, this is the vas deferens, and this vas deferens is attached to this portion. This is called testis. This has epididymis, vasa efferentia, rete testis, and some lobules. See this, and this whole structure is known as testis, and it occur in a pouch like a structure known as scrotum. You can see here, this is the scrotum, and see this ureter opens into urethra, and this is glans penis. This is the purpose, or this is also called as foreskin. See here, this is bulbourethral gland. This is also called as Cooper's gland. This is chestnut shaped gland. This is called prostate gland. This is the seminal vesicle, which is 2 in number. See, seminal vesicle, and this is the urinary bladder. Inside view you can see ureter, seminal vesicles, urinary bladder, vas deferens. See here, this is connected to epididymis, then prostate gland, penis, urethra, glans penis, and foreskin. This is the testis, and it is occur in a pouch like a structure or sac like a structure known as scrotum. This is bulbourethral gland. It's a very smaller in size, pea size shaped bulbourethral gland, and this is ejaculatory duct. So first of all, organs and their function. So first organ is what we have seen, like scrotum. So what is the function of the scrotum? Scrotum, it keeps the testis at the proper temperature necessary for spermatogenesis. So you can say it acts as a thermoregulator organ for testis. It keeps the testis at proper temperature which is necessary for spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis, I think you all are knowing, that is the formation of sperms, or you can say it keeps the testis temperature less than the whole body temperature, and this temperature is lessened by 2 to 2.5 degree Celsius, which is the lower than the internal body temperature. So this is very important, and this internal body, this temperature is necessary for activeness of sperms. That's why this act as a thermoregulator. Next is testis. So here sperm production occur. This is also called as sperm factory. Sperm production occur in where? In seminiferous tubules. In seminiferous tubules, and also it is responsible for secretion of androgens. In case of males, it is called as testosterone, which is known as male hormone, and also responsible for secretion of some inhibin protein. What is their function we will discuss later. So testis is also called a sperm factory, produce sperms in seminiferous tubules, also produces androgens and inhibin protein. Next is the duct system, that is epididymis. So epididymis, it is the, see, this is known as primary sex organs. Okay, epididymis, this is a duct. You have to remember this, that this is duct, and this is site of sperm maturation. And storage. So epididymis is site of sperm maturation and storage. Next one is the vas deferens. Vas deferens, this is also a duct system, and what it does, this is responsible for sperm maturation, storage and transport also. Storage and transport. So you can say in this also storage of sperm occur, but in immobile state, and in this it is in mobile state. So that's the difference in epididymis and vas deferens. Then next is gland system. There are some glands like seminal vesicles, secretion of fluids occur, and which constitute the seminal plasma of ejaculated semen, and these secrete mucus and watery alkaline fluid that contains fructose. What it contains? It contains fructose, which provide energy to the sperm. This fructose provides energy to the sperm, and this is not present anywhere in the body of male, this fructose. So for testing of rape, this is the very important factor, the presence of fructose at the victim's genital part. So this fructose is present in seminal vesicles, secreted by seminal vesicles. So it provide energy for the sperms, and also its secretion maintains pH, optimal pH. It provides optimal pH for what? For sperm survival. It provides optimal pH for sperm survival. Next is a bulbo urethral gland. Bulbourethral gland, it is also known as Cooper's gland. This is also gland system. Bulbourethral gland, what is the function? It is attached to the urethra, that's why the name is bulbourethral, and it occurs below the prostate. It also secretes mucus fluid and help in lubrication of penis. Next is the prostate gland. Prostate gland, it is very much important. Prostate gland, it surrounds the urethra and produces a milky secretion which form a considerable part of the semen. So in semen, the most part of the secretion of the prostate gland, milky secretion, that is known as semen. So this secretion contains so many things like citric acid, lipids, enzymes, and secretion of the prostate gland nourishes and activate the sperm to swim. So it help in nourishment and activation of sperm. It also provide alkaline medium. Alkaline medium is needed because, as we know, that there is only one way for release of urine as well as ejaculation of semen. So urine, you know, it is acidic in nature, so that's why in acidic condition sperms cannot survive. So prostate gland secretions provide alkaline medium to that particular site. That's why they be in active state and they can survive there. And the next one is so we discussed seminal vesicles, bulbourethral gland or Cooper's gland, and prostate gland. So next is penis. So this is erectile organ used during copulation. And so this is all about the testis, scrotum, epididymis, and you can say all the ducts and the glands. So this is penis, copulatory organ. It is cylindrical, erectile, pendulous organ and suspended in front of the scrotum, and the size remains small. This is also called as limp or flaccid condition. But on sexual arousal, it becomes long, erect, and ready for intercourse. So once it get erected, the size may get 15 centimeter long. So in next video I will discuss the internal structure.